If you're trying to decide between the Xiaomi 17 Max and the Xiaomi 17, here's the quick, honest breakdown after looking at both. So both phones from Xiaomi actually run the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, meaning performance is basically flagship level on either one. No worries there. The real difference is everything else. The 17 Max is the go big or go home option. You're getting a huge 6.9-inch display, a massive 8,000 mAh battery, and a 200 MP Leica main camera. This thing is built for people who stream, game, and hate carrying a charger. The standard Xiaomi 17, though, is way more practical. It's smaller at 6.3 inches, easier to use one-handed, and still has strong cameras with a 50 MP setup. Plus, it's lighter and cheaper. So here's the verdict. Go Max if you want power and battery above all else. Go Xiaomi 17 if you want balance and comfort.